Hi guys, my name is Johan from restoration.bike, and in today's video I'm going to install a square taper crankset. If you have any questions about this installation process, feel free to leave a comment. And please like and subscribe to the channel, which is always very much appreciated. So let's get started. In my last video, you could see me installing the square taper bottom bracket, and now it's time for both cranks to get into place. I use a special part tool crank bolt wrench. It's a nice tool for the job because it enables you to tighten both types of crank bolts, those which need a socket wrench and those which need an 8mm Allen key. I also had the original dust caps. Original dust caps are quite rare and relatively expensive for such a non-essential bicycle part. And while riding this bike for the first time, I actually heard one falling out and rolling down the tarmac. So I fixed them into place with a little lock bond. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and be sure to check out the next one. Bye for now.